Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make toast rice powder. In Thai we call Khao Khua. Toast rice powder is a key ingredient of several dishes of the northeast of Thailand. This recipe very easy and you can do it at home. First we need to use the sticky rice. Today I use about half cup of the sticky rice, and then we put the sticky rice onto the pan and use the low to medium heat. And then keep dry frying the sticky rice continually with the stirring. To make sticky rice is cooked very well for all of the sticky rice. In Thai Isan food or in Thai Northeast food, we use the Khao Khua or toast sticky rice. As we do today is a key ingredient in many meat salad like nam tok and lap. It's also used in the soup like kang om and also used in the some dipping sauce. Help to thicken this and provide a nice smoky, and finally add a crunchy texture to the dish is used. After we continue to stirring, you can see the rice is change color to be the golden brown, and then we continue more time. For me, I use for this time is 15 minutes, and then to make we need until the sticky rice make it the brown color. It should start to turn yellow and golden in color, and also finally it make it brown, and it should really start to smell extremely good, kind of like a popcorn, a nice roast grain flavor. And if your sticky rice is color like this, it's turned to brown, and then it's finished. Because if you finish it first before it's brown, and then you cannot keep this recipe too long, and then will make the not good smell. Next, I use the raw sticky rice into the blender or food processor to grind it up, or you can use the hand method of the pounding it with the mortar. For me, I prefer the blender or food processor because it's very fast. But if you use a pounding with the mortar and pestle, and it's use a bit of time to pound it. And now it's ready. It's very good smell. If you do this now, you can smell very good with the rice flavor, and it's ready to continue to cook in the next recipe. So I hope you like this recipe, and if you like this recipe, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook, and see you next time.